So I've decided to revisit the Dart XL. I packed it away for quite a while. It was in the attic, but I've dusted it off and I've reinstalled some electronics in it. Let's have a look what we've got. So in here we've got the DJI HD system, and the way I've mounted this is I've actually the Dart XL came with some foam blanks. One was in the shape of a GoPro, so I just cut that apart and created some 3D prints to turn that GoPro mount into an FPV camera mount. You see that in there. In the back here, it's got a Matek F405 wing controller board, and it's got a T-motor 40 amp ESC, and it's got the stock Dart XL 1300 kV Sunny Sky motor. So yeah, just a quick one really. I'm going to throw this up, see how it goes, and hopefully it flies as well as I remember. So I'm just going to do a auto launch. From iNav 3.0. So to do that, I arm, and then I set the throttle, and then I put it in the mode I want it to go into once it's finished launching. Loiter mode, and then it's just a case of throwing it. It's coming from that direction. Close. Okay, so that was a successful flight in a couple of different ways actually. I realised that I had not placed my antennas onto my DJI goggles, so even though I had really good signal, I had a really good picture, I had the warning in the bottom left corner tell me that I had a bad signal, and it was breaking up a little bit more than usual. And then I remembered, so I put the plane into return to home, popped the antennas on, and everything was great. I then realised that the orientation of my crossfire antenna was wrong, so I adjusted that, and when I adjusted this, when I twisted it this way, I had a receiver failsafe. Now thankfully I had actually set up the failsafe correctly, and the Dart XL went into return to home mode, and it came all the way back from around about here. It came all the way back, and it just loitered around our launch position. The Crossfire module in the transmitter did not actually regain connection, so I had to take the module out of the back. I had to take this out and place it back in just to reset it, and then once that kind of reset, I got telemetry back and it went green, and I was able to control the plane again. For some reason, the brand new SD card in there, I got a message telling me that it was full and that it stopped recording, which is a bit strange because it's a 32 gig card, and there should be plenty of space on there for many flights, so I'll check that out and probably throw it up again. And away it goes.